What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Right now we're gonna go ahead and remove the lip, get the spoiler, the engine lid. We're sending everything to paint tomorrow, and we're gonna show you the new wheels that we got. So yeah, let's go ahead and remove the lip. Alright guys, welcome back. The cookie tail lights are off. Yeah man, so let me show you guys what we got to paint. So we got composites side vents, 94 wing with the spoiler, the turbo engine lid. We got the composites again with the front lip, 94 cookie tail lights. They need to be re-cleared, and the center panel. I tried sometime last year, actually 2-3 years ago, to sand them down, and that's what I got. But yeah, I am still bothered for the someone decided to break the JDM sidelines, the turning signal, whatever. And I'm pretty upset about that, but it is what it is. You know, some people just can't respect other people's property, and you know, it's just crazy nowadays, man. And I thought that it was me at one point. I'm like, maybe it was me, I don't know. But then I'm like, nah, man, I take care of my car. So and then I checked, and that thing is solid hard. You need somebody to actually, you know, intentionally just break it. I did ask my wife, who had the car, who drove the car a few times last week, and she said she doesn't know anything about it. So yeah man, I guess it is what it is. So yeah man, so we're gonna go ahead and install these for now. I bought these cookie tail lights probably like a year ago. I bought them because I was gonna remove that little thing right there, the white thing, and put it on mine, but ended up just, you know, having them there. So we're just gonna slap them on for now. I'm not gonna drive the car for maybe a week or two, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a clean, because it's super dirty. Grandpa just pointed out the broken bulb that I have, the burnt bulb that I have. And one thing that I do have, we got a surprise. Surprise. Let's see. We got new wheels. And let's see how they look. So we got new wheels, man. We got drag wheels now. What's up? What's good? They are 15 by 8. Mickey Thompson tires. 275 50/15s. They are from a local MR2 owner who had them, and he went another route. So thank you, Ryan, for the good deal, man. I really appreciate you. So the car's already washed. Yeah, man. So stay tuned. Next time you see it, we might install the drag wheels right there that we have them. It's gonna be right there. I'm not too sure yet. I am looking for the Zegans for the front. And yeah man, just hit me up if you got Zegan wheels, 17 by 9s or 17 by 7s in the front. And yeah man, stay tuned.